The body of young Joe Clyde Daniels has still not been found.
But we are now just hours away from getting a few more answers. News Channel 5's Dan Kennedy has an update now from the 5 Alert Center. And Dan, I know the parents are due in court this morning.
That's right. Both parents going before a judge this morning for what we expect to be a preliminary hearing. That means the prosecution is likely going to come forward with a little more evidence and a little more facts than we've received or even heard about until now. But what makes this even tougher for the prosecution is, of course, the fact that there is still at this hour no body. There was a search over the weekend in some of the woods as law enforcement volunteers searched for 5-year-old Joe Clyde Daniels. It's now been 2 months since he went missing. His father, Joseph Daniels, admitted to killing his son back in April, but won't tell Dickson County deputies where to find the child's remains. His wife, Krystal, was also arrested in connection with the crime. A silent protest is planned this morning outside of the courthouse starting at 8 o'clock. Demonstrators say they plan to put duct tape on their mouths with Joe Clyde's initials on them. Those two expected in court around 9 o'clock. The judge will hear both sides hear facts in this case before deciding whether to send this case over to a grand jury, in which case we will then await an indictment. In the 5 Alert Center, Dan Kennedy, News Channel 5.